How to fix messages are missing sync now on Messenger. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix messages are missing sync now on Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger mobile application. This is the homepage of the app where you will see the chat area. From there, go ahead and tap the menu icon. It is this icon here with the hamburger symbol. A side panel with several options appears as you can see. From the options on the side panel, the one we need is this one here with the gear symbol. It is the settings icon. Make sure you tap it. You will then be taken to the settings of Messenger. Here, there are various options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. Next, make sure you scroll down and come to this section here. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here named Privacy and Safety. Make sure you tap on it. This is the privacy and safety page of Messenger. Here, there are sections that you can use to control the privacy and safety of your account. Among them is the one we need, which is this one here named End-to-End Encryption. It is under the Security tab. Make sure you tap on it. After doing that, you will see more options on this page. From the options, tap this one here named Message Storage. On the Message Storage page, there are various other options. From them, tap this one here named More Options. As you can see here, there is a toggle button named Auto Sync. So, make sure you have enabled this toggle button and check if the issue is gone. Also, you can try disabling it and then enabling it to see if the issue gets fixed. Finally, after doing all that, if the issue is still there, then do this. Come back to the previous page. Next, tap this option here that appears in the red text. This confirmation pop-up appears where you are supposed to confirm your action. Go ahead and do that. I hope the issue you were facing has been solved. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix messages are missing sync now on Messenger.